Do you know how many species of bacteria are living in your gut? How do you promote the growth of more good bacteria in your gut? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course on the gut microbiome. This course is presented by Nicole Dinan, who is an Australian accredited dietitian and an accredited sports dietitian. Nicole specialises in gut health, good digestion and food intolerances, and she's one of the few dietitians in Australia with qualifications in both dietetics and psychology. She outlines how good nutrition can promote diversity of microbiomes in your gut, how your unique microbiome functions as a metabolic organ in its own right, and how you can influence it with prebiotics and probiotics. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. This is an essential course for all dietitians who want to learn more how to help themselves and their clients achieve optimal gut and overall well-being. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.